In this course, several of the labs that I'll be asking you to do, you cannot do on Windows 10. Some would work on Windows 10, but I really want you to have the Windows Server experience in order to see some of the things from the Windows Server perspective, things like group policy and so forth. So one thing that we can do is download a virtual, and there is a free one that we can use that works very, very well called VirtualBox. So I'm just going to type VirtualBox in my Google search here and go to Oracle VM VirtualBox. I'm going to go to Downloads, and here you'll see Windows Hosts, and that's the one that I want because I'm on a Windows machine. And I'll just download that, in this case to my desktop, and I'll go ahead and install that Windows VirtualBox, and that way I can install my servers to that once it gets installed here. So I'm just going to step through this thing and accept all of these defaults here as I go through it, and it'll be very quick and simple for this installation. Once this is installed, then we'll come back in another video and I'll show you how to install the Windows server in this thing. We'll get that Windows server downloaded and install a virtual Windows server in VirtualBox.